Namaste, welcome to maths class. Today, this is the video which is brought for the grade 10 and it is from the conditional, trigonometry, and this is one of the very important questions for the students of grade 10 or SEE students. And today's class goes like this. Here, in this question, a plus b plus c equals to pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90 degree, and this is the condition given, okay? And by using this condition, we have to prove cos a minus b minus c plus cos b minus c minus a plus cos c minus a minus b equals to 4 cos a cos b cos c. You have to prove this. This is the result that you have to bring by solving this side, okay? And here we have to write solution. Then write this given condition a plus b plus c equals pi by 2, and we have to take cos on both sides. If you take cos on both sides, then it will be cos a plus b plus c, and it will be cos pi by 2. And cos pi by 2 means 90 degree, and cos 90 degree means 0. That's why we cos a plus b plus c equals to 0. And here in this question, we have to use this also. We have cos negative angle, so cos minus a equals to cos a. Okay. This condition also we have to use in this question. That's why it is shown here. And we have to use this condition also. Look at cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This also we have to use here in this question, okay? These two conditions, these two, okay, formula we can tell also, we have to use it in this condition, okay? And look here. Now for the solution, take LHS, take left hand side. Okay, this is the left hand side given one. And here in this left hand side question we can add 0 because just now we have derived. What we have derived, look, I want to show you again. Here, look here, 0. 0 means here what we have done, this cos a plus b plus c. That's why in place of 0 we can write a cos a plus b plus c. That's why we can put there 0. And that's why we can add here 0. We can add 0 with any numbers because the 0 has no value here. And after that, we have to use this, okay, cos c plus d here one, okay? C means a minus b minus c, and here d means b minus c minus a. Then according to this formula, cos c plus d, just I have shown there, okay? This one cos c minus c plus d, okay? Cos c plus d formula, cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, okay? Here in 0 we use cos a plus b plus c, that I have shown just in previous slide one, okay? And after this, here also we have to use cos c plus d, okay? This c means c minus a minus b, and d means a plus b plus c. Then we use here, okay, now when you remove the bracket, this, okay, when you remove the bracket, we will have this one here, okay, and the same term but opposite sign we have to cancel them, like this, okay, a minus a will be cancelled, and similarly minus b plus b will be cancelled, okay, and here remain minus c minus c. Minus c and minus c will be added and it will be minus 2c. And similarly here, minus b and minus b will be added, minus c and plus c cancel, and plus a and plus a will be added. And similarly here also, remove the bracket. Remove the bracket and simplify. Okay, then we will have this one. Here will be minus 2c by 2, and here will be 2a minus 2b by 2, and here will be 2c by 2, and here will be minus 2 common taken here. Okay, here will be minus 2a and minus 2b, then minus 2c common taken, then a plus b left, and there is below down there is 2 also, and now we can cancel this 2 and this 2, and here also we can take 2 common and we can cancel them, and here also we can take 2 common and cancel them. Here also we can take 2 common and minus this 2 cancel, then here will be minus a plus b will be left. Then as I told you, cos minus a means cos a only, it will be positive only. That's why here this is okay repeated and shown here for easiness. And here as I told you 2 to cancel and will cos minus c, then it will be cos c only. Here will be cos this 2 common, then a minus b will be left, and here c this 2 to cancel and cos c, and here will be cos minus a plus b, then it will be positive that cos a plus b. Then we have this cos c common taken. Okay, here is also cos 2 cos c, here is 2 cos c taken common, here is left cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. And we know that cos a minus b plus cos a plus b we have formula. Okay, that's why this side same, and its formula is 2 cos a cos b. When you remove this formula, we can use another 1 cos a minus b formula also. It will be cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Here will be cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Then sin a sin b, sin a sin b will cancel, then it will be cos a cos b, cos a cos b, then that will be added to cos a cos b. And after that we can multiply this 2 to the 4, then our result will come 2 cos a cos b cos b. Okay, this is our result to bring on the right hand side. Then we can write it R as proved. Okay, this is the way to solve this question and to prove the given condition. Okay, thank you very much. Stay safe, healthy and happy. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press like button and press this bell icon also. Today this much only, and I will upload it there all the important questions for the grade 10 SEE students, okay, which will be very helpful for your examination, for your study.